Hey, check out this radon detector I have here. Comes with the user manual. Here's the detector itself. Go ahead and take that off of there so we can see the screen. There's a Type C. Comes with the Type C and USB cord here, connector. It goes right there, and there's our power button. And we'll go ahead and turn this thing on. There we go. It has the date, touch screen, the time. It says, yep, clearing the data here for us. Setting the parameters. Here we go. I'm going to turn the light off so you can see the screen a little bit better. See, it says it's running there. And you can have your time right there. That's the readout. Different values on there. Last 12 hours says 12th value. 24th value. 48, 96. There we go. And you can go ahead and measure settings, retest, alarm, block, and about. So let's check out the measure. There's settings there. So you can set an alarm. It's got the alarm line. And it has a radon concentration exceedance threshold. And a particle alarm there. You can turn that on or off. Really nice to have. I'm going to leave that on. Eco has sleep, brightness, and the volume. And for units, gives the different units of measure and time and date. Units, time and date, and there's the admin there. To use this thing, we'll go ahead and push retest. There we go, and just click on that. And now, you want to go ahead and put this in your basement, crawl space. Yeah, it's good for basements, wells, poorly ventilated homes, homes with natural building materials, mining areas, and certain geological conditions. You can see we're running, we're testing right now. Go ahead and put this in the basement and see what we get. A little bit more about this. It's a high precision radon concentration monitoring and alarm instrument. It uses a self-developed high precision radon pulse ionization chamber sensor to measure radon concentration by monitoring alpha ionization, ionizing radiation from radon decay. The device can quickly detect and store data. Historical data can be viewed by connecting the device to a computer with the included USB cable, automatically generating PDF reports without the need for any software installation. It's equipped with a 2.1-inch high-resolution capacitive touch color screen, and it offers a user-friendly UI interface. When the detected value reaches the alarm threshold, it emits an alarm and promptly alerts staff or yourself, the user, to take safety measures. So you can set your alarm to go off when it reaches a certain level. And radon is a hazardous radioactive gas with a half-life of 3.82 days. It's colorless, odorless, and undetectable by human senses. Radon's 8 times denser than air and tends to accumulate in basements, wells, and poorly ventilated houses. When inhaled, the alpha particles from radon decay can cause internal radiation in the respiratory system. So this is a great tool to have, and I'm going to use it a lot. I'm going to do a lot of testing all around the house. And lastly, to turn it off, you just hold this button down back here. Yep, shut down.